Hi everybody, Dave here from British Trucking. I've just finished work and today I was out on the truck going down some lanes up in Cheshire and I came across some cows, some stray cows at that. So I proceeded to round them up with the truck. So let's watch the video. Looks like we've got a lot of cows in the road. I think they're going for a wander around the countryside. They seem to be having a nice time, don't they? They're certainly slowing me up. Come on, cows. Who knows where they're going to go next? Maybe into somebody's garden. I can't see anybody with them. Obviously got out of a field somewhere. Oh, nice. Thanks for that. Crap all over the road, why don't you? Come on, Ermintrude, on your way. Don't seem to want to go in that gateway, do they? Come on, cows. Oh, come on, cows. Oh, there we go. Crisis over. fun, wasn't it? Cow rustling in a concrete mixer. There you go, bit of fun for the day. See you in the next video. Bye for now.